In our first two examples, we looked at what it looks like to have a system of linear equations with one solution. Now, let's take a look at what it looks like with no solution. So, if one solution has one point of intersection, if you had to take a guess, what do you think it looks like with no solution? What we're most likely going to see is that there's no point of intersection. So let's figure it out. We have x minus y equals 2. Same concept as the lesson before. X is 0, y is 0. Let's see. We have 0 minus y equals 2. So negative y equals 2. So y is negative 2. So we go to 0, negative 2, make a point. And then we have, let's see, if x, we already did x is 0. So if y is 0, x will just be 2. Okay, so here's our first equation, or our first line. Now let's look at x minus y is negative 1. So xy table again. If x is 0, we get negative y is negative 1. So y is 1. And then if y is 0, we get x is negative 1. So negative 1, 0. And what do these look like? There's a certain term that begins with a P. Okay, these are parallel. Parallel means that they will never intersect. No matter how long I draw these, I can draw them infinitely in my mind. They will never intersect. So whenever you graph two equations and they are parallel, not looking parallel, but definitely parallel, then the answer is no solution because there is no point of intersection.